Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by ensuring the project context is correct, because linking in the wrong area wastes time. Open the user story, check acceptance criteria, and tag so tests map to intent. Once done, create or locate the test case work items you will attach. Use test plans to group related tests for the sprint. Make sure the test case fields match the story scope. This immediate preparation prevents mismatches later and speeds up the actual linking step. Now perform the linking. In the user story, choose links, then add link and pick existing item, searching for test case ID or titles because precision matters. Set the link type to test so reporting recognizes the relationship. Verify direction and the title to avoid reverse semantics. If you have many tests, use a query to select them and bulk link via the grid or backlog view. Once linked, save and confirm. The story reflects test. Finish by validating. Open the test plan, select the suite, and confirm each test case maps to the story and is ready to run. This ensures traceability into execution and reporting. Make sure the Requirements tab on the test case reflects the link story so status updates propagate correctly. If you cannot see links, refresh the browser and reindex the project collection or re-add the link by the work item ID. These steps usually resolve visibility or sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.